Hi, I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble our LavaFlow stack chair. It's a very easy chair to put together, and there are minimal parts. Basically what you'll have is the seat and back shell, you'll have a left and right leg, you'll have 4 bolts with rubber protective caps, 2 bolts with a flat bracket, and an Allen wrench. So start by aligning the legs. The legs will only align one way, which is the correct way, so if the holes are not lining up with the bases, switch them around. So start by screwing in the one of 2 screws that go in the center holes with the bracket. And leave it kind of loose so you have some wiggle room. And do the other one. Just kind of hand tighten them in. Alright, and the next step would be to put these guys in. So if you left wiggle room in here, you can move the leg as needed to get them to align in the holes, like I'm doing right now. You will need to use the Allen wrench to tighten these down. And then when you're done, just go back around and give those bolts a tighten with the Allen wrench once more. And you should be good.